My nickname is Timmy Sussex Seagull. I support Brighton over Albion, I've been a fan since I was 5 years old, and I absolutely love Sussex. I had a mental breakdown when I was in 2002, and decided to basically just run away. I went to Lancashire for 9 years, and things just got worse and worse, really. So I just come back home to Sussex, and I just fell in love with the county ever since. I had a message on Facebook saying that my friend Graeme had killed himself just out of nowhere. So I couldn't believe it. You know, he just seemed like a completely like a guy who was completely happy. You know, had no history of mental illness as far as I could tell, anyway. But I just wanted to do something in his memory, and also to do something for a charity. And for a local charity as well. Well, it's a 64-mile route, and it starts in Hazelmere and finishes at Petersfield in Hampshire. So basically, it crosses 3 counties. So it's going to be, you know, an epic journey. But you know, it's going to be hard. It's going to be really, really hard. Going really well. Done 20 miles. Not sure where we are right now. A beautiful pine forest. Yeah, good pace, about 3 miles per hour. So I haven't slowed down at all. Speaking about my friend Graeme, and trying to make it to the end. Trying to block out all the negative voices telling me I can't do it. Yeah, listen to the birds, sound of the wind and now the rain. First leg, fortunately a bit of a disaster. Weather-wise, absolutely horrendous rain. Fortunately had to abandon it. I've done about 34 miles. That's about 9:30 at night, so it's getting dark. So that's why I decided to stop. So I decided that on the 11th of May, I'll go out and do the other half of the route, just to get it done. Morning guys, just starting out on the Serpent Trail. Just after this, a beautiful morning. So I'll be in Petersfield by probably about 12 hours time. So let's do this. Second leg was amazing, weather was fantastic. Obviously different challenges than the last one. Obviously heat. 16.5 miles in. Got another 18 to go. Getting really warm, you know. This has been an epic journey, but it's going really, really well. Just wanted to get it done, desperate to get it done, and I did. Incredible feeling. £1,149 I've raised for West Sussex Mind. Absolutely incredible. You know, so much support from people, so I say thank you very much for all your support and belief in me. Men had this really annoying thing about bottling things up. You don't speak out because there's a stigma. You know, stiff upper lip and strong, and you know, and we're not. You know, we all break down sometimes. Men don't tend to talk about their feelings enough. You know, but my friend Graeme, he didn't say anything to anybody. He did tell anybody he was suffering, so he just took his own life. But you shouldn't have to suffer. No one should have to suffer alone. Don't be silent. Speak out. Get help. Get support.